Hello and welcome to my channel Learn with Upasna. Today in this video I will cover the chapter 3 of class 4th. Topics are data and information, computer memory, primary and secondary memory, unit of memory, how does a computer store data, and the practical demo of file and folder I will explain in my laptop screen in the last of the video. To the data and information. Data can be defined as a representation of facts, concepts or instructions in a formalized manner. For example, a list of dates. Data on its own has no meaning or context. It is only after processing by a computer that data takes on a context and becomes the information. For example, a list of dates of exam. Computer actually takes as an input data and provide the output as a information. Now next, come to the computer memory. The physical space such as chips or a device which can store information temporarily or permanently. It is called the computer memory. We store important things to keep record of our work. The purpose to store is to hold them and get back them when needed. So we store data and information for our future use. Computer stores things in its memory. Computer memory can be either internal or external. Now, category of memory. Memory categorized into two parts, primary memory and the secondary memory. In primary memory, RAM and ROM are there, and it is a secondary memory like hard disk, floppy disk, CD-ROM or DVD. Look at the picture, it is the primary memory and these all are the secondary memory. Primary memory or main memory of the computer is stored on chip. These chips located on motherboard of computer inside the CPU cabinet. Two types of primary memory are there, RAM and the ROM. RAM, random access memory. This is the temporary memory of computer. As soon as computer turn off, the information stored on RAM is also lost. But ROM, read-only memory. It is the permanent memory. It does not lose its stored information even when the computer is turned off. Secondary memory store the data and information for the long time. Hard disk, this is the main storage device for the computer. It is fixed on the motherboard inside the CPU cabinet. When we store any software or files, folders and any information, it is recorded on the hard disk. Storage capacity of hard disk is 60 GB to 4 TB. This I will explain. Next is the CD and DVD. CD are circular disk. CD means compact disk and DVD means digital versatile disk. A CD store about 720 MB and DVD can store 4.1 GB to 20 GB. A CD or DVD both can store software, audio, video and the graphics. But nowadays Blu-ray disc is getting popular for storage instead of CD or DVD. Because Blu-ray disc can store data 25 GB in a single side and 50 GB in a dual side. This is the CD and DVD and this is the Blu-ray disc. Next is flash drive, popularly known as pen drive or USB flash drive. They are portable, removable and rewritable. Their storage capacity is from 2 GB to 256 GB. Next is a memory card. It is also called multimedia card. They can access by computer using multimedia card reader. Memory cards are commonly used in mobile phones to store information like photo, music. Memory cards are also used in other consumer electronic devices such as telephones, portable games devices or printers. This is the memory card is there. This is a card reader and these are the small chip card. Let's come to the units of memory. A computer stores all the information using two numbers 0 and 1 in different sequences. Each number 0 or 1 represent a unit which is called a bit, and 8 bit together becomes a byte. Computer memory is measured in byte. 1 bit equals to 0 and byte. 8 bit is equals to 1 byte. 1024 bytes equals to 1 KB. 1024 KB is equals to 1 MB. 1024 MB is equals to 1 GB, 1024 GB is equals to 1 TB, 1024 TB is equals to 1 PB, and so on. This is the smallest unit of memory and this is the biggest unit of memory. Comes to the next, how does a computer stores data? Computers store data in the form of folders and the files. Let's come to the files. File is a collection of data that is stored together. You can create file, name them, rename, save them, even delete them. For example, TV program have three main things such as computer files. First is the name, like TV program, same way file contain a name. And like TV program, particular channel is there, or same way files has a particular location. Like TV program, there is specific time limit like 30 minutes. Same way a file can have a specific length. Just as you recognize a TV program by its name, you can recognize file by its name. File name consists two parts, name and type. Just as TV programs are of different type like comedy, like sport, like game, etc. Similarly, computer files may be of different type. It has text file where text inserted, graphics file like images, pictures, program files like your data or any information. You can know what type of file is just by looking at the file extension. Behind the name, a dot is used to separate the name from type. Like this, name dot extension. This is the name of file and it shows the extension which type of file it is. The size of file is measured in bytes. Larger file measured in KB or MB. It shows the storage space of a file. These are some common extensions. JPG, PDF are there. And these are the folder which is created on computer screen, and inside this folder files are there. After that, folder also called directories and keep files in systematic way. You can keep the similar files in specific folder and you can create a new folder to save new files. Hello friends, this is my laptop screen. Here I will tell you how to create a folder. First you have to choose a drive from here. Suppose I have selected E drive. Double click on E drive, go to the blank space, right click and go to new folder. Here this way you can create a folder. Now give a name. Suppose I am giving document name to my folder. So I have some files. Suppose I have taken some file from here and I want to copy these files. I have selected some files. Suppose I have selected this one, 4 pictures. Control C, I have copied this and I want to paste this in my folder document. Double click your folder and Control V, or you can right click or paste also here. Now these are the files and this is called the document, and when you double click the document, this is document a folder, and when you double click a folder you got some files here. Then simply right click. I want to see the detail of my file, so then right click and go to the property. Here you got all the details. Which type of file you have, .jpg, it is the extension of your file, and the location E drive. In E drive, document is a folder where your file have saved, and size of your file is 1.91 MB. So this way you can create a folder and you can put the files inside your folder. Suppose I want to rename my folder, then right click, go to rename, and I want to change the name first folder. Okay, so this way you can change the name, and you want to, suppose you want to copy this folder from here, copy this drive to another one drive. Suppose this different drive I have chosen and paste here. So this way you can copy and paste. And suppose you want to delete your folder, just go right click, go to delete, and this way your folder have deleted. For watching my video, please don't forget to like or subscribe my channel.